incredible, Mohan. But on that note, why don't you tell us about the incredible performance that the iCNG brings to us?
As seen in the video, the current set of CNG owners have to compromise on drivability. We have developed iCNG cars in such a way that they will not only meet customer requirements, but will pleasantly delight them. That's why the first I in iCNG stands for incredible performance. There are four elements when we talk about incredible performance of iCNG cars. These are best-in-class power, easy city maneuverability, effortless drive in every terrain, and retuned suspension. These four ensure every iCNG car delivers incredible performance and delights every customer who takes them for a spin. Let's understand each one of these in detail. Unlike smaller engines being offered in the market currently, which deliver low power and poor drivability, the iCNG cars have been developed on the 1.2-liter Revoltron engine. The advanced iCNG technology delivers maximum power of 73 PS, making them the most powerful CNG cars in their category. If you drive iCNG cars, there is hardly any difference in drivability between CNG and petrol modes. Low end torque in the iCNG cars is best in segment, which enables clutch-only pickup. This is extremely useful in heavy traffic with easier stop-start driving on daily commute. This also reduces frequent shifting of gears, thereby reducing driver fatigue. Not just fatigue, it helps in delivering better real-world fuel efficiency and improved clutch life. So both vehicles come with best-in-class gradability, which helps in easy pickup on ghats. Customers can travel in ghats with ease in CNG mode. You don't need to switch to lower gears or change to petrol mode for climbing uphill. So despite addition of approximately 100 kilos, our engineers have been able to maintain high ground clearance in both Tiago and Tigor CNG. Suspension has been tuned in such a way that there is a minimal change in vehicle stance in both cars have excellent ride quality. Tiago CNG ground clearance is 168 mm, while that for Tigor it is 165 millimeters in unladen condition. To summarize, both these vehicles are more than capable of delivering performance that matches any petrol vehicle in the market.
That's fantastic, Mohan. I honestly can't wait to get my hands on the steering wheel after the launch, and I agree with you. The customers are sure to be delighted as their needs are met.
Well, I don't want to say I told you so. There is, however, a lot more that the customers want out of their ride besides the performance. Why don't you ask some more?
For sure. Let's go to our next group of consumers and hear from them what they're expecting out of their CNG ride.
How much of importance you give to safety when it comes to buying a CNG car?
Look, गाड़ी देखो सर मेरे को तो नहीं चलानी है. घर में डैड भी हैं, वाइफ भी है. So safety is like very crucial.
The only problem is that I've seen a lot of cars which are not actually factory fitted. Very important feature is that it should be trusted brand and it should be factory fitted.
Safety is definitely the first important factor in every car because without safety, I think nobody will feel safe.
If a car is coming with the CNG thing already fitted and giving me all the safety, so definitely that's a good option.
You know, Mohan, I personally agree with what these guys are saying. I mean, safety is extremely important, and that for me is right at the top of my expectations, whether it's a petrol or CNG car. So how does the Tiago and Tigor fare on safety?
The customer today have become more informed, and safety has become one of the primary decision points for a lot of them while buying a vehicle. And that's why the second I in iCNG stands for iconic safety. Both the cars have been developed with rigorous testing to ensure there is no compromise on safety. There are 5 elements when we talk about iconic safety of iCNG cars. And these are riding on safety, use of advanced materials in the CNG kit, a micro switch, a thermal incidence protection, and a leak detection feature. Let's look at these in detail. Both the vehicles have been built on a solid platform which has been proven for safety. Use of high-strength steel along with a reinforced body structure gives rigidity to the car. The vehicle also comes with key safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and corner stability control as standard. So best quality parts are used to make CNG kits of highest standard. Component health check verification is done at every step of manufacturing to ensure best quality. Cylinder valves used are not only CCOE, that's domestic certified, but also ECE R110, that is European Safety Standard certified. We have used rust and corrosion resistance material along with high quality stainless steel for CNG parts. It prevents leak and ensures longer part life. Barcode system has been used for CNG specific components for field traceability. So iCNG technology prevents any chance of a cylinder burst in case of a thermal incident. In a rare case, if a thermal incident does happen, CNG supply to engine is cut automatically and the remaining gas from tubes is released directly into the atmosphere. Even though the car has been designed to ensure there is no gas leakage. However, provisions have been made to ensure occupant safety in case any such incident happens. In case the system detects a gas leak, it automatically switches from CNG to petrol mode. The car also alerts the customer about the leak through a service lamp on the instrument cluster. It gives additional safety to the customer by automatically switching off the engine upon opening of the fuel lid. The car cannot start unless the fuel lid is closed. So first in segment, closed fuel lid alert is flashed on instrument cluster if someone tries to start the car without closing the lid. This helps in preventing any unfortunate incident during fuel filling.
That's genuinely amazing, Mohan. I have to congratulate Tata Motors on taking the lead on safety.
Well, that's what matters, and we definitely care about our consumers.
Absolutely. That's great to know. That's what sets you apart. But now that we have incredible performance and iconic safety by our side, is there really anything left that one would want?
Of course, we live in the 21st century, and the one thing that drives our lifestyles today is technology.
You're right. People are always on the lookout for the latest technology on the block. Since you've tempted us, why don't you tell us more?
So we at Tata Motors call it intelligent technology. And that's in fact the third pillar that iCNG stands for. iCNG cars have been developed with technological innovations to give superior performance. There are 5 elements when we talk about intelligent technology of iCNG cars. And these are, there's a single advanced ECU, direct start in CNG mode, automatic switchover between fuels, faster refueling, and advanced digital instrument cluster. Let's see them one by one. So with a single ECU, there is no processing or communication delay, ensuring quicker signal response and a faster fuel switchover. Advanced ECU delivers good performance by maintaining optimal air-fuel ratio. Also, it ensures a high real-world fuel efficiency. In case of other CNG cars, the car can only be started in petrol mode. In case there is low petrol, the car does not start. We have provided a first-in-segment feature that allows iCNG cars can be started directly in CNG mode. It's very convenient. You don't have to remember to switch to CNG mode after some time. With this feature, you save fuel every time you start your car. In case fuel is low in the car, the iCNG technology automatically switches the mode to the other fuel available. The customer can keep driving safely till he reaches the nearest fuel pump. This helps in hassle-free driving and makes your journeys more enjoyable. The iCNG has incredibly fast refueling due to a special NGB1 receptacle nozzle. You don't have to wait for long to get your car refilled. We want our customers to have the least pit stop time. So both Tiago and Tigor come with a digital instrument cluster for giving real-time information. The layout of the cluster is clean and uncluttered. A special fuel gauge for CNG and petrol is given to monitor both fuel levels simultaneously. Separate indicator for each fuel mode is also given for prompt refueling.
Well, again, that's fascinating. You know, the car, it's all about I, but it should be shouting to the consumers. It's all about you. So I and you, because you just literally factored in everything that might go on in the minds of a consumer, maybe flirting with the idea of moving to CNG, perhaps for the first times. This is great. And with intelligent technology driving the iCNG range, I'm sure the customers have everything they're looking for in their ride and stay updated, current with the times.
That's right. We have tried to ensure that we meet the consumer's expectations in every way. But let's not forget that the main pillar it all comes down to, the features of the car. Why don't you ask consumers again on where their wish list stands on this?
Absolutely. And I know they can be very picky on this. I have to admit, that's what fascinates me the most and attracts me to the car. So let's see what the consumers have to say.
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं ऐसी एक फीचर या ऐसी एक चीज जो आप अपनी सीएनजी गाड़ी में मिस करते हैं अभी,
म्यूजिक सिस्टम मैंने बाहर से लगवाया हुआ है मगर उसकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है वो बेटर नहीं है या टॉप ऑफ द एंड जो फीचर्स होते हैं ना बहुत मिस करते हैं जैसे 4 डोर पावर विंडोज सीट एडजस्टेबल एंड ORVM
फीचर्स, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर CNG कार या तो आप लोग बेस मॉडल की लेके उसे कन्वर्ट करवा लेते हैं या तो फिर आती बेस मॉडल की CNG जो कंपनी से आती है तो उसमें फीचर्स नहीं होते, बस जो मिनिमम होते हैं वो चीज़ मिल जाती है.
Inbuilt features. The features are not so authentic which we see in the diesel in the petrol variant.
Well, friends, you heard them. They want their CNG cars to have all the features that petrol versions get, and not just the base trims being offered currently in India. They want to enjoy all the premium features with its bells and whistles. Mohan, this is going to be tricky. How much of these does the iCNG offer?
Well, Jatin, the final I in iCNG is in fact impressive features. Tiago's iCNG is the first CNG car which is available on a top trim and comes with a host of high-end features. It will also be available in a new XZ Plus trim in which new features like projector headlamps, LED DRLs, and multiple chrome embellishments like the front grille chrome motif, chrome lined door handles, chrome on tailgate have been introduced. These features will also be available in the petrol versions. The iCNG comes with a refreshing new interiors with a premium black and beige theme. It also comes with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system by Harman, fully automatic climate control, auto-fold ORVMs, and many other premium features which customers have always wanted in their CNG cars. The Tigor iCNG will also be available in a new XZ Plus trim. It will come with first-in-segment rain-sensing wipers, automatic headlamps, dual-tone roof, and many other premium features. Again, these features will also be made available in the petrol version. In the interiors, Tigor will come with new dual-tone black and beige interiors, along with a new tri-arrow design on the seat fabric. It will also come with some best-in-segment features like push-button start with smart key, a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment, automatic climate control, and many more. I'm sure consumers are going to love this package. To summarize, the 4 I's of iCNG technology: incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features will make iCNG cars very desirable for our customers.
I am with you on that, sir. Now that sounds like a complete package. Incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features. This is the Tata Motors iCNG. What about colors? You made the world very impressive with the technology, with the safety features, but are you going to make it colorful? I'm sure these come in some fascinating colors. Tell us about it.
Absolutely. We are introducing new colors in both the Tiago and the Tigor. The Tiago would be available in Midnight Plum, along with the 4 other colors that are already available. The Tigor would be available in Magnetic Red, along with the 4 other colors that are already available.
Indeed, they look gorgeous. I'm sure there's something for each one of you out there. It's a personal choice, but you'll be spoiled for choice. Let's hear from Mohan.
Well, there's an interesting lineup of features in all the variants we have to offer. The Tiago comes in 4 variants, the XT, XN, XT and the new XZ Plus. Like I said earlier, we have added new features in the XZ Plus variant in both petrol and CNG versions. The Tigor comes in 2 variants, the XZ and the XZ Plus. Similarly, we have added new features in the XZ Plus variant in both petrol and CNG in Tigor.
Mohan, I have to admit, this is the total package. मैं तो impressed हुई, आप भी हो जाओगे. Thank you, Mohan, for taking us through the iCNG. I'm sure our audience here today is truly excited to get their hands on the car soon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's invite Mr. Shailesh Chandra, President Tata Motors, to tell us the much-awaited price of the much-coveted iCNG range offered by Tata Motors.
Friends, we hope that you all enjoyed the product demonstration. It's now time to reveal the price, as all of you have been waiting for. Can we have the pricing, please?
Thank you very much, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the glorious new Tata Tiago and Tigor iCNG. 2 vehicles that have set new records, industry benchmarks, and reached new heights of incredible performance, iconic safety, intelligent technology, and impressive features. And now I would like to open the floor for Q&A with Tata Motors management present with us today. May I please request Ashmita Pillai from Corporate Communications, Tata Motors, to please moderate the session. This is Jatin Sabru signing off to get my hands on the nearest Tata Motors iCNG.